Hey guys, this is week 6. Watch me first. We will discuss all of this in class 2. However, I wanted to go ahead and put this over there so that you have a backup instructions in case you need it. So like I said, that these all documents are the same that we are also looked at in week 5. These are going to help you with your assignment 2, which is about, so I'm going to open up assignment 2 and talk to you guys about that one. So basically your assignment 2 is you being able to do a vertical alignment along being able to write an objective in an ABCD format. So you are going to choose grade level kinder, first or second, or you might choose 3, 4 or 5. You could choose 1, 2 and 3 also. That does not make a difference. I would strongly recommend choosing your grade level and going one before and one after. You are going to select TEKS that form within that same concept. You're not looking at the number, but you're looking at the same concept TEK. So you're looking at the same concept TEK from grade 2. So then I will go to grade 1 and I will go to grade 3. And I will look at those TEKs that match up for that one. And I will design learning objective related to it in the ABCD format. The goal of this assignment is for you to be able to see the depth that is happening in the TEKS and also the depth that you are bringing in with the learning objective. You are pushing your students towards higher order thinking skills. You're pushing them towards the higher continuum on the Bloom's taxonomy. And then the other thing that you're going to be doing is you're going to be writing a reflection. So here in this reflection, you are discussing how the concepts are built across the different grade levels, the depth, the process that is involved in it, the Bloom's taxonomy level. Let me go back and show you guys. So here is your reflection grade. That is for 4 points. Is the teacher explained how the vertical alignment helped them to integrate it across the curriculum, and what is the significance of that vertical alignment in students' thinking, learning experiences. So how is their learning experiences being built? This is the rubric that is going to be used to grade your assignment. The assignment is for 12 points. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. I look forward to reading your TEKS and your objectives and how you are analyzing them. This section, the one on the reflection, is very important because it shows me have you guys really thought about these things or not. We will practice writing objectives and TEKS in class also. And so if you have any questions, as always, I am here.